Okay, 2012 AMC. This is problem 16 from the AMC12B and problem 24 from the AMC10B. And it says Amy, Beth, and Joe listen to 4 different songs and discuss which ones they like. No song is liked by all 3. That's important. Furthermore, for each of the 3 pairs of girls, so 3 pairs of girls, there is at least 1 song liked by those 2 girls but disliked by the 3rd. And how many different ways is this possible? So what we're going to do is look at the 3 groups of girls. Amy Beth is 1 pair, Amy Joe is the 2nd pair, and Beth Joe is the 3rd pair. And in here, so there needs to be 1 song that Amy and Beth like but Joe does not, 1 song that Amy and Joe like but Beth does not, and 1 song that Beth and Joe like but Amy does not. And so we'll choose that there are 4 choices for this first one, but once I've chosen one that Amy and Beth like and Joe does not, there are only 3 choices left for this Amy, Joe, and Beth not, and there are 2 choices left for this one. So it's a number of permutations. Next, so this gives me 4 times 3 times 2, but that's not it. After this, we have a certain number of options for the final song, for how many people like it. And so in this, the song can be liked by Amy, liked by Beth, and or liked by Joe, but not all 3. So this last song has yes or no for Beth, yes or no for Amy, and yes or no for Joe, but not all 3. So that's going to be 2 to the 3rd minus 1. Okay, and there will be one more issue. We'll get to that later, but we'll put this in here. So times 2 to the 3rd minus 1. And this gives me, let's see, 12, 24 times 7. So 24 times 7. So 24, 7, 8, 2, 168. Okay, not one of my answers. That's fine, though. One other issue. If this 3rd song is liked by 2 of the girls, then it will be counted twice amongst here. And so what happens is if I can have Amy and Beth both like 1 song and like this extra song, or I can have Amy and Joe both like this 1 song and like this extra song, and all the way down the line. I need to count those carefully. So let's see, how can we do that? So basically that means that I can choose one of these 3 to be liked, to situations to have 2 songs that they both like, the 3rd person doesn't. That is 3 choose 1 ways that can be done. That can be done in 3 ways. And then, let's see, I have 2 possible, let's see, so I have, I can choose 2 for the one that they like most, and then I need to choose 2 for the ones they don't like. So there are 4 choose 2 ways to choose a song that's liked by both. So if Amy and Beth both like 2 songs that Joe doesn't like, then I have 4 choose 2 ways to get that, and then I have 2 times 1 ways to make sure that I have these other songs. 4 choose 2, that's 4 times 3 divided by 2, so that's 6 times 2 is 12. So there are 36 ways this is overcounted, and this is all coming together. So there are 168 ways that I will double count some songs, and if I take off 36 of them, there are 132 left over. The answer is B, and I hope that wasn't too confusing.